I build subcomponents, the elevation cylinder that raises and lowers the cannon, and all the other subs as well. I really feel like I'm giving something of myself that I hadn't previously given. I didn't serve in the military. I have 3 brothers that were Marines and 1 brother that was in the Navy. My dad served in the Army, so this feels like my contribution. There's a real feeling of anxiety when someone you love is serving. I mean, regardless of where they're at, there's always an element of danger. I think Teddy Roosevelt said, walk softly and carry a big stick. This is kind of a big stick. It's the king of battle, and this is the finest artillery piece that's ever been fielded. We're proud of that. Elgin, Oklahoma is where we open the door and roll them out. It's a prideful thing for us. My name's Rick Tilley, and I'm the king of battle.